How are you?
Yes, I'm good. Thank you.
Dr. Vikram, I heard lot of about psoriasis.
Yeah,
So what is
psoriasis.
this
Yeah.
psoriasis? What is
Yeah.
this psoriasis?
Psoriasis is actually chronic condition of the skin
Okay.
in which there is big red, white scaly patches are there,
Mm-hmm.
red and white, and this silvery color patches,
Okay.
especially in the extensor surface in the back, at
Okay.
the back of the elbows,
Uh-huh.
here, and at the, sometimes in the scalp also,
Oh my God.
and in rare cases at the.
This psoriasis.
This psoriasis is mainly, there are so many unknown causes according to modern medicine. The cause is not known, it is autoimmune disorder.
Okay.
But according to Ayurveda, the skin diseases mainly are related to karma. We say
Okay.
it is, especially the skin diseases are related to karma theory.
Mm-hmm.
And it's effect of bad karma of your old birth.
Okay.
This is what Ayurveda says.
Uh-huh.
And moreover, consuming a lot of uh, food which is toxic in nature, acidic food,
Uh-huh.
like too much of non-vegetarian diet, too
Right.
much of acidic food, alcohol, and too much food which is packaged and frozen, and consuming food all the time
So the
outside.
mainly the bad food habits,
food
they are the major cause of this psoriasis.
Accumulation of toxins in the body.
Okay. So symptoms you already told the
Yeah,
condition.
symptoms is the itchy skin
Itchy
and
skin.
silvery
Uh-huh.
and scaly patches, big ones,
Uh-huh.
and they itch and they are really difficult.
So, is there any cure for this in Ayurveda?
Yes, psoriasis can be cured. Psoriasis in Ayurveda is called Ekkusht. So
Okay.
Ekkusht is a different 20 types of skin diseases described in Ayurveda,
Uh-huh.
and psoriasis is one of them, which is put in the which Ayurveda has put in the curable diseases list.
Okay.
Of diseases which are curable
Okay.
with difficulty, of course,
Uh-huh.
and there are some Ayurvedic herbs and
Okay.
some combination of herbs
Which can be.
yeah,
Okay.
which are given to cure. Result takes about 6 months.
Uh-huh.
Visibly, it can be, if we give Ayurvedic herbs,
Uh-huh.
we see the results within 1 month or 15-20 days. You see some differences,
Okay.
and about after using the herbs for about 6 months, you see major changes. And the herbs mainly used for the psoriasis treatment are neem.
So, what are the Ayurvedic herbs which are
Yeah.
useful in this condition?
Yes, Ayurvedic herbs, like I told you, neem is very effective in treating psoriasis. We use neem capsules,
Okay.
and some other herbs like bitter and blood cleansers we are using.
Uh-huh.
I use combination of herbs, especially this Navkarshik Churna. It's a combination of 9 herbs which I'm using along with the neem
Okay.
capsules,
So, other very nice herbs are like.
like Manjistha,
Uh-huh.
Vacha,
Okay.
Daru Haldi.
Uh-huh.
Some herbs are there.
Okay.
And this,
So, this Navkarshik contains all these herbs.
Navkarshik contains all these.
Other than Navkarshik, is there any preparation especially for this condition?
I give so many like Arogyavardhini Vati, Kutki I use
Uh-huh.
to cleanse the liver,
Okay.
because liver is good for removing the toxins from the
Okay.
system, giving very good results.
So generally the treatment lasts for how much time?
Treatment lasts, as I told you, about 6 months to 1 year,
Uh-huh.
and but the results are visible within few days, about 15-20 days or 1
Okay.
month.
So like you told, this is a very itchy condition. Skin is very much some problem is there. So is there anything to apply?
Yeah, we
All
have
the
some
affected
soaps, and I recommend some soaps and some oils,
Okay.
some ointments also.
In Ayurveda, these
Ayurvedic
are
ointments,
herbal
natural made from
ointments.
herbs.
Okay.
So
So
they're
this
very
can be cured with the use of some local
yeah.
application in the herbs used.
Yes, it can be
So,
cured.
like you told, this is due to some very bad food habits. So, what should be the food of the patient in this condition?
Yeah,
What he should avoid?
yes, it is very good question you have asked. Food changes are very important. Shifting from acidic diet to alkaline diet is very important.
Okay.
Like consuming the bitter foods like gourds, pumpkin, and turnip, juice of radish, carrots,
Okay.
and avoiding the sour fruits
Right.
like oranges, lemon, citrus fruits should be avoided, or this yogurt should be avoided,
Okay.
and pomegranate juice should be avoided, the orange juice, and all those citrus fruits, soft drinks should be avoided.
So, one should shift towards the alkaline
Alkaline
diet.
diet.
So, like the diet is, we can modify the lifestyle. We should also change.
Lifestyle, sleep is very important. Sleeping in time is very important,
Okay.
and doing the breathing exercise is also
Okay.
very important. Doing pranayama in the morning
Okay.
is also helpful.
So thank you very much, Dr. Vikram, for telling us about the psoriasis condition and its treatment in Ayurveda. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.